Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, which is just a very soft, youthful, glowy look. It's very simple, very soft, very feminine, and that's what I was in the mood for. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, so today we are playing with some new stuff. I'm going to be priming my face with the Touche Liquid Silk Canvas. This is a deluxe sample size that I'd gotten a while ago. And I think I've used this, but I'm not sure. It has a little bit of a scent. It almost made me think of Bengay. Not as strong, but I don't know. I don't know what it smells like. Maybe a little bit of like eucalyptus. Sorry, my hair's a little bit of a mess. I've been washing my hair way less. And it's just, my husband and I are working out pretty much every day and I don't want to dry my hair out. So if you guys have any tips, but pretty much it stays in like a bun. Alright, so I'm going to use my Cover FX Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation, and the shade I have is G Plus 60. I got a little bit of sun yesterday, and not too much I guess, but enough to where I need to go a little bit darker. Yeah, see? I'm going to use my Juno & Co sponge and just take whatever's left on there. This looks really good. It looks natural and it has nice coverage. I would say it's a solid like medium to full. We're keeping it at medium today though. I don't have a new concealer, so I'm actually going to take this Benefit Boing Industrial Strength Concealer. This is in the shade 2, and I'm just going to hit the outer corner. This inner corner here. I'm using this as a corrector. I have a meeting today and we are going to be discussing, we're reading this book called How to Be Anti-Racist. I highly recommend it. It is such a great book and it is powerful and really focuses on what change we have to make happen in order to start seeing progress in the Black Lives Matter movement, as well as just really with any group that is being discriminated against. I think it just kind of brings into light a lot of things that we need to look at within ourselves, as well as systemically. So I'm going to use the Flex Concealer, and the shade that I have is Beige Medium, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit this inner corner. I've actually been seeing a lot of people do this and they keep referring to it as like the TikTok trick. And I really like that it doesn't look cakey. I have been using this concealer for a couple of days now. I purposely grabbed for it because I'm trying to figure out how I feel about it, and I like it. I like the formula. I like just how natural it looks. I think it's a great concealer. However, I hate the applicator. I hate it. I like that the actual product comes in a squeezy tube, but I hate that the wand is stiff. It kind of reminds me of the NARS creamy concealer wand. I hate that wand. After you use different concealers with nicer applicators, you realize that NARS really needs to revamp that wand. It sucks. For my powder, I'm going to be using my Airspun. I actually wanted to use my Anastasia one. I've been using that every single day, just about. But I'm also trying to play with other things I have. I'm going to be using my Gucci bronzer. I love this stuff so much, guys. It is hella good. I really like the Charlotte Tilbury one too. And it's what I was using every day, but since I've gotten this one, it's what I want to use. Really what it comes down to is I love the color. I love the finish. I know it's not available in Sephora right now, but keep an eye out, guys, or see if you can get your hands on it. especially if you are looking for like a really good natural looking bronzer. However, I'm not sure if this is going to be limited edition, and if it is, then I would recommend the Charlotte Tilbury one. All right, guys, so this isn't new, but technically it's kind of new. I'm going to use the Artist Couture palette in Supreme Nudes, and I'm going to take Exposed, which is that top shade there, and I'm going to use this all over my lid. I'm going to take Nudist, which is this shade here, and I'm going to place this in the crease. I'm going to take this Dose of Colors Block Party Shell We Dance. It's Shell, S-H-E-L-L, and that's what it looks like. I really want to do this look. I'm going to film a video where I show you guys basically my Gucci lipstick. So I wanted to do something that was pretty universal in terms of what I can pair it with. And I was a little hesitant to go in with this shade because I'm like, it's pink. So we'll see if we can make it work. Such a beautiful color. And then I don't know if I told you guys, but I prime my lids with my MAC 24 hour eyeshadow base. I'm gonna dust off. There's a little bit of glitter fallout. So I'm going to use my Sephora Collection Lash Primer, and then I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill Mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then we'll come back to finish the rest of this look. But before I do all that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty setting spray. We're going to let that set while I do my mascara. Alright guys, I am back with mascara and all. I have to say that I'm really enjoying the Eyes to Kill mascara. I didn't think I would like it because when I'm applying it, I feel like my lashes look thin, but the overall result is really very pretty. It's natural and it separates, so while it doesn't give you a ton of volume, you're getting pretty decent length and you're getting a nice separated finish, and I love the way it looks on the lower lashes. So I have to say I'm enjoying this. So I was debating on whether I wanted to do eyeliner, but I think I'm going to keep this as is, but I am going to go back into the palette and I am going to take Nudist again and just blend my edges out to add a little bit of contrast and cohesion to this look. I wanted to just kind of look very diffused and soft. So the blush I'm going to use, some of you may say, you already showed us that, but now I'm going to show it to you. I'm taking She's That Girl by Patrick Ta. Looks like this. It's the really pretty pinky one. I don't know why I'm not pulling this down. There it goes. And I am going to take this Fenty Beauty bronzer brush, and I'm going to take the cream and then just brush this on. I'm going for like a really rosy, soft, romantic, pinky look, if you can't tell. So I don't know about you guys. Let me know down below if you have any experience with these blushes, but I find that if I apply the cream and then layer the powder on top of it, it looks patchy. Whereas if I use them individually, it works. I know that people are all about layering them, especially because Patrick showed us to use them in that manner where you do your powder first and then your cream on top, and I haven't been able to make that work for me. I feel like it makes my cheeks look patchy and uneven, but when I use them on their own, which I'm okay doing that, it looks really pretty. Like, I love the way that this looks. I love the way that it looks when I just apply the powder, because you guys know I am a fan of his blushes. But I'm loving this. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking this Gucci No More Orchids lipstick. I haven't worn this yet, so I'm excited. You know, I think I want something a little more on the pinky side. So for my lips, I'm going to take Three Wise Girls by Gucci. Here is the final look. I feel like I'm not satisfied with this lip. I need to give you guys a second option. I love it, but I need something that's more like Lisa Eldridge Stereo Rose? No, Skyscraper Rose. So I'm gonna go put that on and then show you guys that look. All right, guys, this is exactly what I wanted. Skyscraper Rose by Lisa Eldridge. I absolutely love the way that this looks. I feel like this is the vision that I had in my head. So here is your final look with Skyscraper Rose. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I do upload 3 videos a week and I would hate for you guys to miss any videos. Subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know if there is anything you'd like to see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I appreciate you guys so much and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.